What's up guys? Today we're going to put to the test erase a hole in your drywall. I drop a tripod and it's about quarter size of a hole inside of a drywall. So let's see if this thing is going to actually seal it up. So let's do quick unboxing. Looks like a chapstick type of stuff or lipstick. You just untwist it and it will come out. Oh wow, quite moist. Okay, pull it out, very nice. Okay, I'm gonna set the camera to the side so you guys can see, and hopefully it does it. Wow, that's quite a big hole. This is perfect for much smaller stuff, but let's try it out with this hole. Wow, can't believe it, I'm kind of working out. Wow, it looks like eraser, don't it? Okay, next thing what they did is wipe off all the extras when there is no hole. So just carefully wipe it off with the rag. This is a huge hole. I just want to make sure it works on these bigger holes as well. And look at that. It pretty much erased it. Obviously we will have to touch it up, and I'm happy with this. This is cool. First time doing it. Obviously I'll practice on it and it would be even easier. Another tripod dent over here. Probably wanna remove some of that. It's not bad, but you see how it cracked. And it says it's again cracks as well. Just push it up and then just rub it. Wow, I think this is the best way to do it. I'm kinda pushed it up a bit too much maybe. So in a way it is kinda erasing it and you're fixing up the hole. We'll see what it looks like once it dry out. Now let's wipe off the extras. I might have to fix the nut down and touch it up with paint. And this looks way better than it used to be. What do you guys think? Approve? It's not even meant for these big holes, but it seems to be working pretty good. Obviously it will work with small holes as well. Okay, the next day, oh look, it cracked a little bit and pushed in. So it still seems to be a bit soft on that big hole, but this crack looks like it worked out. So probably for the smaller holes, because you see it's kind of chipping away. Yeah, but this right here crack definitely filled it up. So don't expect fixing big holes, but small cracks and little holes from a nail probably will work way better. This one dried out even more because it's more like a crack, not a really thick one. This is nice. But still, I can see it's chipping away a little bit. I don't know, I might have to try out something else. So that way, whenever somebody touches it, it doesn't chip away.